Has this ever happened to you?
Hey Heather, what's up? Hey Sierra, I just got the coolest new tablet. Really? What does it look like? Well, it's square, and it has rounded edges. Oh, and it has a screen. Oh, Heather, that doesn't help. I can't see it. I really wish I could.
Well, now you can with Skype. Oh, I see. Hey everyone, this is Sierra.
And this is Heather, and we are going to give you a tour
of Skype. Skype is a program that turns your computer screen into a telephone that also streams video and allows you to view your friend's computer screen if they agree to it.
It uses VoIP technology, or Voice over Internet Protocol. Skype allows people to communicate between most any device, such as smartphones, tablets, and computers, but not rotary dials. For a fee, you can also call landlines and cell phones.
Here's how it works. To use Skype, first you need to download it to your computer. To download Skype, just select Get Skype and choose the proper running system. You can either choose Skype Premium or the free version. Then follow the on-screen instructions.
Alright, so now you want to make a Skype call. To make a Skype call, you go over to a friend who is online, like Stephanie. Now, I can either make a video call or just a regular call, but I'm going to make a video call. Let's see if she's on. You can see your own picture in the bottom right here to see how you look for the camera, adjust anything you need to. And then once this loads, you'll see Stephanie on the other end of my screen. Hey Stephanie, how's it going?
Hello. Good, how are you?
I'm good too. Thank you for doing this video chat with me.
Of course.
So we're showing people how to use Skype. And one thing I wanted to show them how to do was how to share screens so they could use it for educational purposes. Would you mind sharing your screen with me?
Of course.
Now she is able to share her screen with me by clicking on call and share screen. So by sharing her screen, I can now see her screen. She can show me what project she's working on. She could show me what book she's reading, an e-read book. I can actually even see myself doubled in the picture. If she wanted to show me an interactive tool she was using that I couldn't download, she could show it to me right here. So it's a great educational tool. Alright, thank you Stephanie so much for your time. Can you pull me back out of the screen?
Yes.
Thank you. I can also share my screen with her if she can see what I'm doing, so we could share our screens together. Thank you so much for your time, Stephanie.
You're welcome. Glad I could help.
Thanks. Alrighty, bye.
Bye.
And that is how you make a video call. You end it just by hitting the red telephone button.
Call quality is often affected by internet access, the programs you have running on your computer, and the type of computer you have. Macs often have better sound and video quality than PCs do. But where is it going? As the issues of security and bandwidth are fixed, more users will have access to it. It is continually adding features and improving quality, and it is also beginning to tie in with other applications such as eBay and MySpace. Using the Skype phone call version that costs either a monthly fee or pay per minute is actually often cheaper than other major phone plan prices, so it may begin to replace cell phone plans. But, you ask, how can it be utilized in the classroom? It is a convenient and inexpensive method to communicate with people all around the world.
It gives students the opportunity to view and understand other cultures and ways of life. Skype is also a great tool for foreign language practice with native speakers. It can also be used as a quick and effective way to have guest speakers in the classroom. In a nutshell, it opens the classroom to a much wider world than textbooks ever could.